Gagawa ako ngayon ng Bicol Express. And this is what I need. Garlic. Oh. Maalis na yung buto yung loko. Okay, so what's this? Siling labuyo. Pero this is not really hot. Yan na, I already slice some of them. And then I will put sayote para medyo malesen yung hotness. Kasi alam ko very hot. Pero wala na kaming sibuyas. We need to buy sibuyas. Ngayon, lalabas muna kami. And then, yung niyog, yung coconut, pili kami. Kulang pala ito. So, I'll be back. Bye-bye. I'll be back. I'll finish this later. Hello. Good afternoon. I am going to make the Bicol Express. Okay, I'm going to cook pala. Here are the ingredients. Kamatis, sibuyas, ahos. Ganun, Bisaya po. We have pork. And I am using canned coconut milk. And then we have, what's this? Siling labuyo. And this one is, wala dapat ito, pero I choose to put sayote. I don't know what's that in English. Sayote. So that, kung just in case this is hot, at least it will be neutralized with the sayote. So, I'm going to start cooking now. Let's start cooking. I usually start with onion kasi if unahin mo yung garlic, madaling masunog. So, I start with the onion first. Kasi pag masunog na yung garlic, mawala na yung benefit. Ang daming benefit sa garlic, even sa onion. So, now, I'm going to add the pork. I'm not going to put soy sauce kasi yung kulay na lalagyan natin ng coconut milk will no longer be white. I will just try later maybe. sasakyan. Because at the back there, that side, wall na yan. And then after that, road na. Road ng subdivision connecting to the business part. Kaya yan, narinig nyo yung vehicles passing by. Extension na tong dito sa kitchen. Dito na ako sa labas. Kasi bright. Compared dun sa loob, it's dark. So, dito na ako. So, we'll just let it simmer. I already put some brown pepper, black pepper, and a little of soy sauce. And salt, of course, for taste. Final tasting will be later. Let it simmer first until na-soften na yung pork or it will be cooked. I will just add a little of water until na-soften na yung pork at a medium heat. Now I'm preparing the coconut milk. It's already here. I'm just using a canned coconut milk kasi para mabilis. Meron magbibake pa kasi kami ngayon ng oatmeal bars. Kaya I'm using it. So then when that will be softened already, I will add the siling labuyo, this one. Already cut into pieces, small one. Not really that hot because there are two varieties. I think the hot one and this one is not really hot, just enough na makayang kainin. Sayote talaga is not included actually, but I'm just adding sayote para naman madami, nutritious naman yun, di ba? Para maiba. Check. Let me check. Almost done. I will now add the sayote. Option ko na to ha. I choose to add sayote para lang in case hot yung labuyo. Actually, wala namang sayote sa Bicol Express. So, I choose to put sayote. Ang daming karne kasi yung ano po gusto ng daming karne. Daming meat. Kunti na lang after this, pag done na yung sayote, I will add the what's this? Coconut milk. I'll just simmer it for a while. Siguro dagdagan ko muna ng kunti ng tubig. Palagi lang ako ng tubig. I let it simmer. Few minutes na lang. And then, after that, yung add ko yung coconut. So, let's check. Ready ko na ilagay yung coconut milk. Yan. Now, I'm going to add the coconut milk. sayang if you're not really scrape everything there. Sayang. Kaya scrape talaga yung coconut milk. Dami sabaw, no? Shane, give me spoon. I'll add more. I'll just add a little of cayenne. Para may kagat din. Kunti lang. Meron naman kaming plant dyan sa yard na yung sili, yung maliliit na sili. If I want to add more, so I will just let it simmer and then this will be done. No, hot talaga, Shin. No, hot laging. No, ano ba yan? Hot man lagi. Really hot, guys. I thought hindi hot. Oh my God. Let's check in a while. We just add more salt to taste. Ang daming sabaw, no? Gusto kasi namin na may talagang sabaw. Give me spoon. Ayan, guys. So, that's done. I'll just take a picture na ilagay ko na sa bowl. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video tutorial. Hindi naman tutorial. And I hope you will subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and like it and click the bell, of course, for you to be notified, and share it if you can share it doon sa mga friends ninyo, guys. Thank you very much. God bless.